Welcome to the Summer of Music series.
All right, what are we going to do?
How can we have a party without a DJ?
Maybe we can DJ ourselves.
That's a great idea. Hello? Hello, can anybody hear me?
I can't figure this out.
I know.
We can ask DJ Zena and Daryl from Wolf Tech for help.
That's a much better idea.
Y'all called for me?
Hi, Xenon.
Oh, Xenon, we need your help. We can't figure out how to stream music in World.
It's easy, guys. You just do this and that.
There's a few things you are going to have to do to prepare for the workshop. First thing, download the Mixxx app. The link is in the description. Next, you want to make sure you have at least one MP4 song in your music folder on your computer so you can check to see that your stream is working after setup. Now we take a road trip to a galaxy far, far away. Yep, we have to head over to Second Life to rent a stream.
In Second Life, click the search icon on the bottom toolbar, copy and paste the name of the region. You will find it in the description below. Hit search and then teleport to the region. When you get there, click World on the upper toolbar. Then click World Map. Type in the coordinates provided in the description below. Hit teleport. Okay, you made it to Lightman Streams. Super inexpensive and super reliable. You want to navigate to the left side of the shop. This is where you will purchase your stream. These are the streams. The one on the left in red is the light plan for 100 listeners. The yellow is the medium plan for 512 listeners. Since you are just starting out, the light plan is perfect for you. Click to buy it and pay for 4 weeks for 100 lindens. That way you have plenty of time to play with it after the workshop. You're going to receive 2 note cards, one for a referral program, and the important one. That's the card with all of your stream information, your username, password, etc. You need to copy all of the information on the card and paste it into an email and send it to yourself. Then pin it so you know where to find it. You are going to need it for the workshop and any other time you want to stream in World.
This was a great party, guys. Where's Cooper?
We gots to close it out. That's it for the Wolfman Swizzle Show for tonight. Be back tomorrow night, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed.
He's part of the pack now. Y'all want to be part of the pack too? Come to the live workshop at Wolf Tech in Wolf Territories. I'll make a DJ out of you yet.
Ooh.